Gage fly back the rope and racing. Sun and Wind looking for the lead. Moving up, Mangaro on the outside, Madame Leonora, then followed by Happy Boomer, Sweet Julian, Cool Reception, Highway Builder, while Hardway is now running in until the field. Out the straight they travel, Mangaro from the outside, running by the wheel, Sun and Winner. 2 lengths back is Madame Leonora. Here comes Sweet Julian, Happy Boomer, Cool Reception. Highway Builder is next on line, long way back to Hardway. Down the half-mile they travel, Mangaro by half length, followed by Sun and Winner. Running in third now, Happy Boomer, and down in fourth, Madame Leonora, Sweet Julian. Here comes Highway Builder, Cool Reception, and Hardway. Inside the last 600, Mangaro, Sun and Win, Happy Boomer, Highway Builder. Moving up now to take fourth, Madame Leonora is and FIPA. Down in 6, Sweet Julian, Cool Reception. Here comes Hardway. As they swing for home, Mangaro hanging on with a length leader. And Happy Boomer, not the outsider. It's now Happy Boomer, followed by Mangaro, Highway Builder. And finally, it's Happy Boomer, Mangaro, Highway Builder, Sweet Julian. Close, Cool Reception, Hardway.
Alright, 4-8-3-7 ang clear.
Ganda naman tinakbong